In a twist that's turning heads, the market's hitting new highs, even as Tesla hits a bump. Welcome to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie, where we make sense of these market moves. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, ready to break down yesterday's market action. So, let's jump right in. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed a solid 0.6%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 wasn't far behind, rising 0.5% to log its fourth consecutive record close. Not to be left out, the Nasdaq Composite made modest gains, up about 0.2%. And get this, the Standard & Poor's 500 set yet another closing record, finishing at 4,894.16. Now, on to the economy. Thursday morning gave us a glimpse into the U.S.'s economic engine, showing a surprising acceleration. The fourth quarter's gross domestic product grew at an annualized pace of 3.3%, zooming past economists' expectations of just 2%. But here's where the plot thickens. Tesla, despite being a market darling, warned of notably slower EV production growth in its latest quarterly results. Elon Musk even mentioned the threat of Chinese carmakers potentially demolishing rivals without trade curbs. Tesla's shares took a 12% dive, underperforming compared to its peers in the Magnificent Seven that have been propelling the Standard & Poor's 500's rally. In the airline sector, American Airlines soared over 10% after sharing a brighter-than-anticipated 2024 outlook. Southwest Airlines also had a moment in the sun, surpassing Wall Street's profit expectations for the latest quarter. Meanwhile, Boeing faced turbulence as the FAA halted plans for increasing production of the 737 MAX 9, despite clearing grounded jets for return after safety checks. This move spells potential disruption for Boeing's clientele and suppliers, nudging its shares downwards. And in the tech world, Intel's future looked a bit dim in after-hours trading on Thursday, with its 2024 outlook not quite meeting Wall Street's hopes, leading to a drop of as much as 6% in its stock price. Well, listeners, that wraps up today's whirlwind through the capital markets. It's been a day of highs, lows, and everything in between. Thanks for tuning into Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll catch you in the next episode on Monday for more market insights. Have a great weekend, everyone.